Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located on Paisley Avenue in Mapen, Clarendon, is this 3-bedroom house, which is being sold under private treaty. It has 2 bathrooms, kitchen, living, dining area, and a front porch. There is an incomplete section, which is approximately 75% complete. There is a garage and other area. The property appears to be in good condition, as it is being sold as is where is. The land area is approximately 24,031 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at the exterior of the house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 28 million or US $181.9 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.